Hello Pisces Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Kamusta po kayo and welcome to James Tarot PH. Diretso po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for March 17 to 23. Nasa kalagitnaan na po tayo ng Marso. Kamusta po ang inyong mga buhay? Kamusta po ang inyong mga plans and wishes this month? May update na po ba sa mga bagay na gusto nyo makuha? I-comment nyo nga po sa baba kung saan po kayo nanonood ng ating vlog or reading today. Saan parte po kayo ng Pilipinas o buong mundo nanonood now so that makuha ko po yung inyong energy sa bawat reading po natin from now on. Okay po? Thank you po pala sa mga likes, shares, and subscriptions, and also for those who are not skipping the ads. Maraming salamat po sa inyong generosity and kindness. Kunin nyo lang po yung mga ka-resonate kayo and leave the rest. Yung ibang information po ay para sa ibang Pisces po yun, okay? So start na po tayo. I'm happy to see you again sa ating vlog po. Inhale and exhale. At the center of your reading, you have the Queen of Wands. Beautiful. In the area of what you want, you have the Five of Pentacles. In the area of what you need, you have the Justice card. Wow. In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the Tower. Okay. Ang ganda nito. In the area of your near future, you have the Knight of Cups, an offer. Pag-usapan natin later kung ano yung offer na yan. In the area of your challenge this week, Pisces, you have the Death card. Transformation. Changes in your life. In the area of your fortune, meron kang Nine of Swords. Patapos na daw yung mga bagay na problema mo. So, since sa area siya ng fortune, pag-usapan natin later. In the area of your divine advice, you have the Ace of Pentacles. Wow. And the Nine of Cups, wow. Take a moment po muna pag lumalabas kasi ang Nine of Cups sa aking reading for my practice. This is a moment for you to make a wish. Close your eyes. Pwedeng i-pause mo yung video kung mahaba-haba yung wish mo. Be specific. I-wish mo lahat ng mga bagay na gusto mo because Nine of Cups is here to grant your wishes. Okay? So pag-usapan later kung ano yung Nine of Cups. At your outcome mo this week, Pisces, you have the Three of Cups. Beautiful. Celebration. Getting the harvest and celebrating it with your family. So kung ano man po yung matagal mong pinagtrabahuhan, this is a time for you to celebrate and have fun. Okay, pag-usapan natin yan later. Ang ganda ng outcome mo. At the bottom of your deck, you have the King of Pentacles. Wow! You have the King of Wealth in your background energy. I'm seeing here na focused ka for acquiring anything na alam mo na pangmatagalan mo makukuha, whether a job talaga yan o a passion project, a negosyo. I'm seeing here na kahit anong hawakan mo ay lalago at mapapakinabangan mo sa mahabang panahon. Wala kang time to play around o kaya gumawa ng mga bagay na walang kwenta. Alam mo yun, yung parang feeling mo, gasayang ako ng oras dito. Now is the right time for you to really take your energy, effort, and expertise sa paggawa, paglikha ng mga bagay na mapapakinabangan mo sa iyong future. Whether a strong relationship o kaya strong na pundasyon para sa negosyo mo o qualifications for your job, qualifications for your education, o kaya yung mga bagay na passion project, now is the right time for you to start because you are the expert. Kaya mo itong mga grapes na ito, isa yan sa mga pinakamahirap na mapatubo sa taro ang grapes. So, you have the power na patubuin at palaguin at palabasin yung bunga, matamis na bunga ng mga bagay na pinaghihirapan mo. So, congratulations, Pisces. Everything you touch turns to gold. So, congratulations. In the area of your current energy right now, you have the Queen of Wands. I'm seeing here na parang confident ka to do whatever you want. Mahal mo ang sarili mo. Hindi ka nakikinig sa sinasabi ng ibang tao. Parang this time wala ng bearing o wala ng bigat o wala ng halaga yung mga panlalait sa'yo o mga negatibong sinasabi ng mga tao sa paligid mo, yung mga chismis, hayaan mo na lang. Parang you're happy on your own kingdom, on your own turf, on your own territory. Kahit anong gawin mo, you're confident at saka parang mahal na mahal mo yung sarili mo this time para lang magpasira ka o para masira yung mood mo sa mga sinasabi o energy ng ibang tao, di ba? So I'm seeing also here na you have the power and you have the enthusiasm and fire within you na i-accomplish at gawin yung mga bagay na para sa'yo, sa kaligayahan mo. I'm also seeing someone na parang mag-aayos na ngayon, papaayos ang buhok, bibili ng bagong gamit, bibili ng bagong damit. It's all about self-love and self-care. Nakikita ko sa iyo, Pisces. Queen of Wands being clarified by the Hermit card. Yes, it's all about you muna this time. For others, parang magsosolo ka muna, parang hindi mo muna iisipin yung ibang tao, you're taking care of yourself, finding the things na gustong-gusto mo makuha from the past. Parang this time, things will be clearer para sa'yo. Kasi si Hermit's original tarot cards, para siyang matandang naghahanap ng kasagutan sa snow o sa bundok. At yung hawak-hawak niya na lantern, itong lantern na ito na may star, akala niya ilaw lang niya yun, pero sa katotohanan yun ang totoong hinahanap niya. Ibig sabihin yung kasagutan pala sa mga hinahanap niya ay nasa sa kanya lang. Meaning, the answers to everything that you're searching for is within you. Ikaw lang din ang makakapagbigay ng solusyon sa mga bagay na hinahanap mo. Kung may hinahanap kang kulang, search within and it's yours. Kung masaya ka, kontento ka at mahal mo ang sarili mo, everything doesn't matter. Kung if your love for yourself is pure enough at saka umaapaw, saka mo ma-attract yung love and prosperity and beautiful things na gusto mo makuha sa outside world, o hindi ba? In the area of what you want, you have the Five of Pentacles. You want to end na the struggle. There are things in your life ngayon na parang pagod na pagod ka, dahil mong pinaghihirapan. Masakit ang katawan, masakit ang isip, ang daming binabayaran, ang daming trabaho, paulit-ulit na nagkakamali. Halimbawa, of pakiramdam mo walang tumutulong sa'yo. You feel helpless, you feel hopeless, parang kang nasa labas and hindi ka pinapapasok sa isang lugar, o parang there is no one there to accept you and take care of you and see you or kumustahin ka man lang, parang ganyan. You're in this moment na parang kung ayaw nyo sa akin, I understand, I love myself and I'll do everything for my own happiness. At yung kasagutan ay nasa akin lang with the Hermit card. And now it's time for you to really go through that struggle. I'm seeing you getting out of this. Merong katapusan sa struggle mo na ito. And you are now, I'm seeing here, getting this King of Pentacles energy sa background mo. Ito yung magiging parang armas mo para malagpasan tong struggle mo with the Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles being clarified by the Page of Pentacles. Wow! I'm seeing here na sa mga bagay na pinag-strugglean mo, a new opportunity will come to you. A certain opportunity na nag-require sa'yo para pag-aralan mong mabuti. O itry mong aralin kung paano mo siya mapapagana, magagamit para matapos tong struggle na to. I'm seeing for someone, you will be given a certain blessing or task or assignment o pera. And that will be somehow a parang question sa'yo, paano ko ba ito gagamitin? Paano ko ito mapapakinabangan para magamit ko in the long run? At yun ang isang susi para magtapos sa struggle na ito. So make sure na kung ano man po yung mga opportunity o blessings sa darating sa life mo, gamitin mo siyang mabuti para matapos na itong mga struggles na dinaranas mo, okay? In the area of what you need, ito daw ang kailangan mo, sabi sa'yo ng iyong spirit guides, Pisces, you need the Justice card. You need to have a balanced life. Hindi pwedeng trabaho. I know marami kang kailangang bayaran, marami kang struggle, marami kang gustong gawin, marami kang gustong itayo, marami kang pangarap. But this time, you need to also prioritize your balanced life. Mag-relax ka rin pa minsan-minsan. Go out, try to have fun also habang nagkatrabaho ka. Make sure na may boundaries ang trabaho at saka your self-love, self-care. For others, I'm seeing here, you need to see the truth. For other Pisces, ito, know the truth because justice is all about the truth, fairness, justice, ganyan. So, make sure na hindi ka nalalamangan o hindi ka nasa losing end o hindi ka namamanipulate o ginagaslight ng sino man. This is the right time for you to get to know the truth about someone or something. And that will help you para sa bagong life mo. Magagamit mo yun para makamove on ka na, makamove forward ka na. Step into the limelight. I'm seeing here na huwag kang matakot. Huwag kang magkasya sa comfort zone mo o sa safety net mo. If you need to know the truth, harapin mo at saka i-confront mo na this time. I'm also seeing here na it's time for you to get your good karma. Yung parang hustisya para sa mga bagay na pinagkait sa'yo in the past. Be ready because an opportunity is gonna come to you and marirealize mo ito yung bunga ng good karma mo. Parang you're reaping what you sow. Parang what you gave before, ngayon makukuha mo na siya. Justice cards being clarified by the Page of Swords. Wow, contract after contract. I'm seeing here Because Page of Swords and Justice ay pareho, I have the same denominator of getting these contracts o mga pinipirmahang papeles. If you're in the process of getting a new job or buying a new house, a new property, and may kailangan kang pirmahan, may kailangan kang busiing papeles, make sure that the fine prints, you are reading it carefully. Kung meron kang hindi naiintindihan, itanong mo sa expert o sa law expert, someone na mapagkakatiwalaan mo, and ask every detail bago ka pumirma. Because Page of Swords and the Justice is all about that, documents and law related stuff. So make sure na this time hindi ka lang basta nakarely sa sarili mong understanding. Make sure na lalawakan mo din yung understanding mo and ask for advice and opinions from law experts. Okay? For others, I'm seeing here na kailangan mo daw din because Page of Swords is all about gossips. People are parang spying on you, checking on your email, checking on your social media. May mga tao dyan na parang tinitiktikan ka o nag-spread ng gossip about you. Sa ibang Pisces po ito, sa ibang Pisces, not for everybody. So it's a right time really for you to know the truth. Alamin mo ang katotohanan, and this time, it will change your life because parang marirealize mo na, hindi ko pala kayo kilala before. Now, kilala ko na kayo kung sino naman kayo. So that is for a certain Pisces dyan na may pinagdaanan with fake friends or fake relatives or fake loved ones. It's time for you to really change how you view your relationships. But for other Pisces dyan, napipirma ng kontrata for a certain job o a certain property, aralin mong mabuti, take time so that yung mga pinaghirapan mo na wealth and money ay hindi mauwi sa wala. Okay? In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the Tower card. Yung change, may pagbabago sa life mo this time. I'm seeing that. Para may drastic change, may biglang na bago sa life mo. And you are now prioritizing yourself. Whether nag-exercise ka na o kaya kumakain ka na mabuti, nag-change ka ng diet, nag-change ka ng mindset, pinapangalagaan mo na yung sarili mo. Confident ka na now because may pagbabago, whether may nalaman ka with other people and parang bahala kayo, ako mahal ko ang sarili ko at itong ipaprioritize ko. I will love myself and search for my own happiness, and that parang naging resulta yan ng something na nagbago sa life mo. Mayroon ka bang mga nakaaway in the past o kaya may nalaman kang katotohanan sa workplace mo, and now parang inisip mo, kailangan ko na magbago. Kailangan ko nang baguhin tong paraan ko ng pakikitungo sa kanila o paraan ng pagtatrabaho ko, o I need to change how I view things. May mga ganyan. So, this change affected how you view yourself and kung paano mo pinapangalagaan ang sarili mo. The Tower card is being clarified by the Eight of Pentacles. Yes, sa mga bagay na pinagtrabahuhan mo, whether passion project, negosyo, o sa school, o kaya sa community nyo, sa pamilya mo. So, meron ka dyang ginagawang trabaho and it changed quickly. Meron dyang bagay na parang meron kang natutunan o may sumambulat na katotohanan dyan, and then you realized, okay, stop na. Kailangan kong alagaan ang sarili ko. Kailangan kong i-prioritize ang sarili kong peace, sarili kong kaligayahan. So that changed a lot sa dynamic ng life mo, sa family, friends, o sa trabaho. In the near future, you have the Knight of Cups. An offer will come to you. An offer of a lifetime, I'm hearing. Something that will change your life, whether an offer of love life, someone with a King of Pentacles energy na mapera, may prinsipyo, may trabaho, someone that's have a bright future, someone na merong practical, someone that is really have this full wisdom sa life niya at marami siyang pinagdaanan sa buhay niya at ngayon super wise siya sa bawat wealth niya o sa mga ari-arian niya. He's a very wise person at hindi siya basta-basta nag-take ng risk kung alam niya hindi siya sigurado sa mga bagay na gusto niya. So, this offer will come from a man or a woman. Energy lang naman sa King of Pentacles, but from someone that is wealthy and so sure of his or her life na kayang-kaya kanyang ibigyan o i-share sa'yo yung mga bagay na meron siya. So, an offer will come from a possible lover dyan, Pisces. But for some, I'm seeing here, an offer from a job, an offer from someone reputable, someone with expertise na bibigay sa'yo halimbawa ng kapital o kaya advice, financial advice na makakatulong sa'yo to get what you want in the near future. This offer, wag mo tong tanggihan, wag mo tong isa walang bahala, wag mo tong itapon na lang basta because mapapakinabangan mo to and it will change your life for the better. The Knight of Cups being clarified by the Queen of Pentacles. Wow! This offer ay pangangalagaan mo to. This will give you a lot of resources. Kung dati nag-struggle ka with the Five of Pentacles here, para sa kukunin to, sa kukunin yan, ang dami kong problema, ang dami kong gastusin. This time, this offer will give you the stability. Tingnan mo siya, meron siya malaking pentacle pero sa baba ang daming coins, stack of coins. I'm seeing here na hindi ka na mawawalan in the next few weeks or few months ng pagkakakitaan o resources sa pera mo. Everything is bountiful. Everything is growing with flowers and fruits. Parang this time, hindi ka na mag-iisip pa na makabayad ng renta next month o makabayad ng bills o pambayag sa hinuhulugan mo o pang tuition ng mga anak mo. This time, parang kompleto ka na with finances. This reading is all about money. I'm seeing pera, kaperahan, wealth, and securing your future. So congratulations, Pisces. In the area of your challenge, you have the Death card. Challenge sa'yo ang to keep up with the changes in your life, a transformation. I'm hearing parang you're resisting kasi parang ayaw mong tanggapin na kailangan magbago o kailangan mong harapin yung katotohanan na something or someone is changing sa life mo. And you have to face the music, face the truth. At nasa precipice ka of a portal, parang hihigitin ka na sa bagong life mo. At somehow may maiiwan doon sa past life mo o past cycle mo. And you have to accept na now I'm on my new life and I need to accept that things are changing, whether for the better or not. Pero ang challenge kasi sa'yo ay parang you are trying to hold on sa old life mo and you don't want to change. Although, nasa isip mo you want to change. Pero sa action, ayaw mo ng change. That is something that you need to think about, Pisces. The Death card is being clarified by the Knight of Wands. Yes, this is about a news coming to you because Knight of Wands is a deliverer of good news. Magandang balita naman ito para sa'yo. And it requires change, a transformation para sa'yo. Whether change of mindset, change of a lifestyle o change of sa trabaho, sa negosyo, kahit sa mga aspeto ng life mo, there will be a change pero magagaling sa good news o magandang balita na paparating sa iyo, a good information. And don't resist that change. Parang feeling ko I don't know, pero parang feeling ko may takot for you to accept the change because you know it will parang blow out everything, magiging domino effect. But you know that this good news will propel you to a God-given and God-orchestrated life path para sa'yo. Nakatadhana mo itong gawin kasi meron kang wealth card here. In the area of your fortune, meron kang 9 of Swords. Since sa area siya ng fortune, I'm seeing here, tapos na daw yung mga stress mo. There's something in your life right now na patapos na yung mga alalahanin o overthinking. Meron kang iniisip in the past na feeling ko hindi ka makatulog o hindi ka mapakali kasi parang lagi mo siyang iniisip, laging bumabalik at pumapasok sa isip mo na walang kasagutan, walang solution o you feel helpless on how to accomplish and find ways kung paano matapos tong problemang ito. Since sa era siya ng good fortune, I'm seeing here patapos na yung problema mo, patapos na yung iniisip mo. Don't overthink. The answers will come to you at the right time and the solution is coming now. The 9 of Swords being clarified, the 6 of Cups. Wow. So this is like a gift from someone. Someone is gifting you a valuable, whether material things o kaya advice o kaya love. Someone will come to you and tatanggalin itong mga alalahanin mo o problema mo. So, antabayanan mo yung special someone na yan. This someone from your life, from your family o dating karelasyon. Someone na importante sa life mo. This is not something new that this will come from the people that you know and they will give you a special gift. Pwedeng material yan o hindi, pero sigurado ako na mawawala yung alalahanin mo sa aspetong yan ng buhay mo. I'm seeing you security, may security dito, whether financial security or love security or a future na secured sa life mo. So congratulations kung ano po yung security na regalo sa'yo ng special someone in your life that will change all of your problems and remove all your stresses. Okay, in the area of your divine advice, you have the Ace of Pentacles and 9 of Cups. So This is a wish fulfillment. This new opportunity will give you everything that you want in your life. So, make the most of it. Huwag mo sayangin, huwag mong gastahin na lang basta-basta. At make sure na itong bagong opportunity o blessings, whether pera man yan o pagkakataon, trabaho o bagong negosyo, make sure na aalagaan mo siya kasi yan ang sagot sa mga bagay na gusto mo. A wish fulfillment. So, narinig ko sagot siya sa mga dinasal mo before and now parating na siya. At mauupo ka na lang and seeing the fruit of your labor at may enjoy mo na yung life mo. Ace of Pentacles being clarified by the Knight of Swords. Yes, mabilis itong darating sa life mo. With the Knight of Swords, si Knight kasi, broom. Ang bilis niya. Bigla-bigla itong darating. So this opportunity will come to you ng sobrang bilis in your life. So make sure na alagaan mo siya. The Nine of Cups being clarified by the Ten of Wands. Wow. This wish fulfillment will end the hardship. Yung parang extra baggage, yung mga pasan-pasan mo na mga hirap at araw-araw mong problema. Pag nakuha mo na to, mawawala na yung mga problemang yan at yung mga pasakit at bigat na nararamdaman mo. Ang iyong Three of Cups sa celebration, let's read that later. Pero muna, magkaroon muna tayo ng mga additional messages from the Divine. First, number 28. Convertin nyo po ito a special number para sa inyo. This is a confirmation that this reading is for you. Frog Spirit, kung nakita po kayo ng palaka anywhere, whether pictures, personal, or internet, this is a confirmation that this message is for you. Clear out the clutter. Yes, maglinis ka daw. Tanggalin mo na yung mga lumang gamit, negative thoughts, mga maling tao, yung mga bagay from the past na hindi na nakakatulong sa'yo. Linisin mo so that you have a clean state, a clear, positive energy sa life mo. Another message, distant thunder, clear the air. Ang dami mo kailangang linisin dito. If there's something na approaching na problema, ngayon pa lang ayusin mo na para hindi lumala at hindi mag-complicate. Make sure that you're nakafocus ka sa mga bagay na mahalaga sa'yo para kung may aberya man, madali mo masolusyonan. Okay? Another message, ito ang kailangan mong pagtuunan ng pansin this week, Pisces. You have surrender. I can release my need to control. So may mga bagay daw sa life mo na kailangan hayaan mo lang mangyari with the transformation, the tower here, and the transformation with the death card. If you need to see the change na mangyari, harapin mo yung changes na yun and let it flow, let it go, sabi nga ni Queen Elsa, and let life come to you. At itong gawin mo, mag-celebrate ka sa life. This week, ang endpoint mo ay Three of Cups. Celebration with your friends, family, your loved ones. You will celebrate something, whether may ikakasal, may birthday, may celebration, bagong baby, may bagong trabaho, may perang darating. So you will be sitting here with all of your resources and wealth, and now you'll be celebrating with the people that you love. So panahon na para magsaya at mag-celebrate. Three of Cups being clarified by the Queen of Wands. Wow, your beginning is also your end point. Wow, you'll be very, very happy with your life right now. Masaya ka, confident ka, you're enjoying yourself, you're enjoying your life, mag-isa ka man o hindi. I'm seeing you enjoying yung self-worth mo, yung halaga mo sa sarili mo, authentic ka sa sarili mo, wala kang pakialam sa ibang tao, wala kang pakialam sa drama. Pag masaya ka at mas may enjoy mo yan with your family. So congratulations, Pisces. A celebration parating sa life mo this week. That is your March 17 to 23 reading. Saan po kayo naka-resonate, saan po kayo naka-relate, comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. Thank you again for the like, share, and subscriptions, and also for those who are not skipping the ads. Maraming salamat po. This has been James for James Tyler PH. God bless everybody.